Hi guys, Ashit side. So today I'll be sharing my learning on Power Query so far. Initially, Power Query tool was launched in Excel 2010 version. It was available as an external add-in. You need to download the add-in and install it in Excel. In case you are using the older version, I've shared the download link of add-in in the description to download it. If you want to download the latest version of Excel in free, I have video for the same. You can check out the video link in the description as well. In the newer version of Excel, Power Query tool is available under Data tab. It comes as an inbuilt feature in the Excel. You don't need to install an additional add-in. Let me quickly open the Excel to show the same. We need to go to the Data tab. This whole section is called a Get and Transform Data. To launch the Power Query editor, you need to go to Get Data, then click on Launch Power Query Editor. It will take some time to load. This is the interface of a Power Query editor. We'll get to know these things in the next videos.